Walk behind Venetian blinds, had to reach for the city lights.
I want a bit out now. I just got the quad stick again. Had to dig out.
Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may.
Well, hi there. Welcome to winter. The winter that never ends in the Yukon. It's still winter. It is mid-March. And yeah, this is what we've had for a couple days now. And more snow on the ground. To add to that possible record snowfall that we're getting. Look at it falling on my face. Why am I out here? I don't know. It's nice out. It's not that cold. It's like -5 or 6 or something, so not too bad. But yeah. Oh, this is just funny. Now it's starting to get windy. Well, that's great. Let's see how much snow I can accumulate on my face in a few moments. Anywho, yeah, it's Saturday, and I just got the dogs out for a little run and only got stuck once, so that's not bad. Took a bit of digging. The camera facing me and I just can't stop laughing at it. Oh boy. Anyways, just fed the dogs. I was out here taking some nice scenery shots, and then looked at myself and didn't realize how much snow I had on me. Man, it accumulates fast. When it's like, it was lighter today, and then got like a few inches last night, and then it lightened up today. It looked like it was going to stop. And on my second run with the dogs, this started coming down, and I was inhaling snowflakes, which is a thing. You can actually do that. Luckily, they melt fast, so there's that. Anyways, Saturday night, this is what we do in the Yukon when we live in a cabin in the woods alone. Stand out, talk to a camera, and look at our frozen hair. Oh, anyways, I'm supposed to go fishing tomorrow, and it's looking like it's gonna get gonna be like this tomorrow too, so it's gonna suck to drive, and it will suck to fish in this because it's not windy and it's not like super cold. It's just kind of a pain, you know. You get snow on everything, your eyebrows. Yeah, these snowflakes are, now it's getting windy again. They're a little bit thick. Maybe I'll just do my whole video this week of me standing in the snow for half an hour and see how much accumulates. How much snow do I have on me? Oh boy. We probably have like another month of snow. But it was nice. It was starting to kind of recede a little bit. It was getting like less, there was less snow on the ground, you know. It was kind of melting a little bit, kind of going down. The snow levels, snowpack was going down a little bit because of the warmer days. My driveway was nice and easy to get out of. Walking around here, well, it was a little bit slippery, so there's that. So it's not slippery now. See, I can run in place and not slip. Couldn't do that the other day. I'd be on my ass. So yeah, I hope this is entertaining to everybody else as it is to me. Oh, it's like accumulating on my one eyebrow. Maybe it's hairier on that side. That's what happens when you inhale a snowflake. Because they're big, thick snowflakes. Can you see? You can stop one. Oh, look at them. Look at all those. Anywho, what was I saying? I don't even know. Oh, it's not slippery, so there's that. Let's try and think positive and think of the good things that are happening with the snowfall. Yeah, not slippery. Might be homebound for a week because it's supposed to last for the next few days. More snowshoeing. Not that I really want to do more snowshoeing to pack my trails, but I could. Tracks, animal tracks. You can always spot fresh animal tracks when there's new fresh snow, so that's a bonus. I like to, you know, keep track of where the bunnies are and where the lynx and moose and little critters, muskrat are. No mud. 10 positive things about never-ending snow. No mud. It's pretty. It is pretty. You gotta give you that. Gotta give you that, Mother Nature. Oh, wow. Oh, man. That's crazy looking up at the snow. Oh, wow. It's so mesmerizing. Let's see if the camera can do that. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Does that look as cool as it does to me? It's like they're just kind of floating. Anywho. This is just so freaking funny. Oh, that's sinking a lot. Yeah, so what else have we got going for us in the winter? What do you think, guys? Dogs get covered in snow. I've never choked on snow so much before in one day. I think it's a record. If there was a Guinness World Record for choking on snow in one day, I think I would win it today. There's one on my nose. I'm gonna go in. You think I've been drinking, but I haven't yet. But I am about to, because enough of this. Okay, see you later. This is spring. Welcome to spring. Check this out. I'm getting some flowers on the hibiscus. Oh, it's looking a little... Oh, that one's coming off. I guess it's done with. But there's another one over there. So that's exciting. Geez, this thing gets dry fast. But yeah, there's another flower. It's enjoying the sun that's coming through here, through this window. It's long days, longer days. Daylight now. Looking a little floppy. I think I need to give you some water. Just waiting for the dogs to stop howling. There's two inside and they're howling, and then the ones outside are howling. I just put them outside because I'm going to do some plowing, and they're not happy that they don't get to come out. So just the way it goes. Anyway, so that big snowfall that we had the other day, yeah, it was quite a bit, enough to get me plowing again. So hey, other job do I want to do other than plow? Nothing, because that really makes my life. I don't know what I'm going to do in summer when all the snow is gone and I don't get to drag my quad and plow down that driveway and fight with snow. Yeah, I'm going to be pretty happy when that happens. It's so bright out too, I'm getting blinded. Need to find my sunglasses so I don't go snow blind, and so I can get out. Okay, let's go do something. My glove. Well, what's today's conundrum, you ask? Let me tell you. I need to take my quad in for repairs, and my trailer is right there. It is under all the snow that we've had this winter. It's a lot of snow. So, what else am I going to do with my time other than dig snow? I just finished plowing and shoveling out for my car yesterday for that new snowfall. So yeah, you know, It's just, I'm just been so bored. I've been missing shoveling. It's been a whole 24 hours. This is what always happens when I'm filming. There's dogs under the camera. Dogs at my feet. A little bit of snow, you too. Come on, make yourself useful. Can do some ice fishing this weekend. Look at that little beauty. It's adjustable too. Ooh. This is a Swede Boar brace and bit ice drill. 6-inch and a lovely blue. Look at that. She's a beauty and sharp little blades, I bet. Unlike my other drill, which is over here. That one, these blades are probably as dull as spoons. A little deep out here. Okay, no, you gotta get away. Okay, let's see how this does. The future of our ice fishing relies on this little dealio. Oh my god, look at it. Oh boy, does that ever stink? It's like, oh my god. Oh, that smells so bad. Okay, so it turns out that that smell of months and months since what, October it froze? November, December, January, February, March. We're looking at 5 months of frozen pond. This is what I refer to as the spongy ponds, and now you know why I refer to them as the spongy ponds, because woo, that smell, like, I think I'm like getting high from it. It's so bad. Oh, why am I standing here? I need to move away. It's so bad. So that is summers and summers of duck poop, squirrel poop, who knows what else poop, elk poop, moose poop, bear poop, everything in there, all just frozen in the winter, and then I just unleashed it to the air above. And I swear I just about fainted. That is so, I can smell it over here. Whew, that brings a new meaning to the word pungent. It's so gross. That is so gross. I couldn't go any deeper. I don't even know if I hit water, but I think I started hitting vegetation, and I don't want to dull these blades. Well, look at that. I got her almost all dug out. And I can actually move it. So now I just got to get the quad over here and spin that around, and hopefully the quad will pull it out. I hope. There's not a ton of space here, but we'll see how it goes. It is a beautiful day today. It snowed the last, whoa, look at that. Ooh, getting some serious overhang here. I better knock that off. Not that the dogs can go underneath that anyways, but it's melting. Smelting, melting. So it snowed again last night. It's snowed the last couple nights, but it's pretty much melted a bit in the day anyways. I mean, my car was covered in snow this morning, but it's all gone now, so that's good. But yeah, it just keeps, winter wants to hang on. But we're waiting for snow to melt so we can go in some ponds and have fun. Not digging out of snow or trudging through snow. We have many more areas to explore in the summer. Okay, got it out, but I got a flat tire. Luckily I have a spare. The other one looks okay. I lost my wire attachment to hook up to the truck, the lights. So I need to get, I think I have an extra one of those adapters for the truck. So I gotta go find it now.